Hey guys, this is Mark and Clyde with the Village Community Acupuncture. We're here to do another in the series of Bring Back the Kitchen. And I'm going to show you a recipe today that works for me and my family. Here in Vermont, especially around this time when it gets close to February, people start to feel a little fatigued. We are all starting to look a little pale, and it's because we're nutrient deficient. You tend to eat heavier foods and have stronger cravings for heavy, dense foods in the wintertime. This is something that's going to help us lighten it up and calm our cravings because it's going to give us the nutrients that we need in a very compact form. It's got parsley and dill. Dill is an incredible stomachic, which is just something that benefits the stomach and improves digestion. Taken with parsley, parsley is basically a bottle of vitamins, but these two together in its whole form are the way the body is going to most easily and readily absorb nutrients, phytochemicals, chlorophyll, minerals, and vitamins that you just can't do with a supplement. It's easy to do. You just take a bunch of parsley, one bunch of dill, just chop them slightly so that you can fit them into your food processor. It's going to be basic ingredients: salt, lemon. This is just half a lemon, and I think I'm going to use about 2/3 a cup of olive oil, but I'm not exactly sure because I've never measured it before. If I have to add more at the end, I will. You need a food processor. If you don't have a good food processor, I see them all the time at Goodwill in Rutland. There's no need to rush out and buy a $100 machine just to make what we call in my house dragon butter. All right, get this into the machine as loose as you can. If you try to pack it in dense, it probably will be hard to get the machine to run properly and make it into a paste. So we've got our parsley and we've got our dill. Add an oil medium. Could have used probably a little bit less, a little bit more. All depends on what you want. That's a extra virgin olive oil, which is nutritionally dense in and of itself. Salt it pretty good. Salt that I use is a coarse gray sea salt. It's got all the minerals that you want in your salt. You'll need a strainer to squeeze your lemon in. Just need about a half a lemon. You can use more, you can use less. Just depends on your taste. If I get things too sour, I feel like my kids don't enjoy it as much. But the sour flavor tends to mellow over time anyways. Okay. Salt, oil, parsley, dill, and lemon. And then you're going to want to just pulse this up and down a little bit until it all starts falling in there. Get it going. A lot of people will put garlic in this, and I think that's a great idea. Garlic makes it a lot better. But some of my kids, especially the younger kids, they don't enjoy that flavor. We call this dragon butter. They love it. You'll see its beautiful colors. It's really fantastic. It's basically just a pesto, but it's a pesto that your kids are going to really enjoy. You can put it on toast. You can add it to the end of soup. You can make up another name for it. Get a good color. Get a good look at that color. It's delicious. So with something like this, you're going to have the ability to get so much dense nutrients in such a small package that it will cut your cravings down. You won't have as much cravings. You won't have a tendency to want to eat as much because that's going to satisfy you so much. So if you want to take charge of your health, you're going to have to learn to bring back the kitchen. So thank you guys, and thanks, Clyde.
You're welcome. Okay, see you next episode.
Hey guys, how do you like your dragon butter toast?
It's delicious, Daddy.
Oh.
It's delicious,